Have you seen a real carrot? Or have you tried it already? Well, one thing is for sure about carrot is that it's a very nutritious food for you. So, here's the video on how to make a carrot hand painting. Enjoy!
Palm with a green paint and print it in the worksheet as the stem of the carrot. On the other palm, paint it with orange and print it with a finger close with each other as fit on the carrot shape. Ta-da! It's all done! Now kids, it's your turn to make your own carrot hand. Good luck!